Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi Redmi A1, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So, if you are tired of the standard appearance of your phone system, then it's time to change something. So, the third theme in my top, theme in the third place on my top, is the Niagara Launcher theme. So let's find it, Niagara Launcher. So just find it and install. Okay, click open. And great. Now click agree and continue. Here you can choose the favorite apps you use every day. Click OK and great. As you can see, here we have really simple minimalistic design. On our start screen we have our favorite apps, and here we have alphabetical line to find applications. For example, I want to find I don't know, Play Store, so I just need to set my finger on alphabetical line and drag it to P button to find all applications starts with P later. Okay, so this theme in third place in my top, but on the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So let's find it. Smart Launcher 6. Let's find it and install. Wait a while, click open, and great, now we need to set up our launcher, so click get started, I agree, confirm. It's advanced launcher, so we need to set up it while in the app. Hello. Wait a while, you can set suggested wallpapers, all set current. Go next. Okay, here you can pay for it to have Blu-ray effect, wallpapers with perspective like in iPhone, ultra immersive mode, folders in app page. So we don't need these features. Okay, this is advanced features, they are great, but we need only our appearance, only appearance of this launcher. So we can set this as default, and great. So as you can see, we have really pretty launcher with great design and with really handy apps grouping feature. For example, all my contacts applications are here, all my internet surfing applications are here, and all my media utilities and settings are here. So it's a really great launcher. So this launcher is in second place in my top, but the best launcher for your device is, I will show you, is Microsoft Launcher. So just find it, click install, click open, click get started while using allow all, continue, and great. Here we can connect our Microsoft account to this launcher. So this is the best feature of this launcher, because if you will connect your Microsoft account to this launcher, then you will be able to receive your messages and receive calls on your Windows device. So with this launcher you can create mini ecosystem with your Android device and with your Windows device. So you need to connect your Microsoft launcher. I will not show you this feature now, because I am here to show you appearance of the launchers. And here you can set up all your favorite widgets. You can hide Microsoft widgets and add here your favorite widgets. For example, I don't know, from Ampere app. Okay, here. Okay, I have Smart Launcher as default, so wait a while, Microsoft Launcher. Here, set as default, Microsoft. Okay, here you can set up everything. For example, open your launcher settings. Here you can set up wallpaper, themes, home screen, dock, app drawer. You can set up any gestures you want. So 2 finger swipe up, swipe down. Search engine you can change from Bing to Google, for example. You can change everything here. It looks great, and it's really handy and beautiful launcher. So I think this is the best launcher for your device. If you have another opinion, so just write about it in the comments. Write what launcher do you love, do you use, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.